Judge Napolitano is back with us. All rise, please. Now, Judge, it's nothing. That's free speech.
Yes, I prefer to talk about this from the legal and constitutional point of view. Of course, your show, you're welcome to get into the politics and why it's become a big deal.
Right.
Here's the law constitutionally. If someone makes an utterance which is arguably incendiary or a call for violence, before that person can be prosecuted for their speech, the courts must exclude all reasonable, non-violent interpretations of the speech. So if there is another non-violent interpretation of the speech, then the speaker cannot be prosecuted. So we just listened to what Donald Trump said, and we know what the left is saying. He wants people to take out their guns and shoot Hillary. It's preposterous, but that's what they're saying. How about this? He wants those who believe in the Second Amendment to organize and vote against Hillary. That is a rational interpretation of what he said. The courts would be compelled to accept that rational interpretation. End of any threat to him because of his speech. On top of that, you're in the heat of a political campaign. He's running for president of the United States. This is hotly contested a race as there's ever been. Virtually anything goes with respect to speech in that environment.
However, this is going to be judged politically, not legally and constitutionally.
Through the lenses of our colleagues in the media who do not want him to win. And that's why that has become the issue this morning. They have suggested that he was issuing a dog whistle to violence, if you will.
Rolling Stone said precisely that. Rudy Giuliani introduced Mr. Trump at that rally yesterday and rode with him in the car after that speech all the way to the airport to get on the plane. Rudy Giuliani says that when Trump was confronted with this story about inciting violence, he said, "Are you crazy? Of course not. I was talking about voting, organizing voting, exactly what you said." So it's a political thing. It's not legal. It's not constitutional.
Right. And we will be
So what are you doing here?
Look, it's right. Why are you having me here? It's the middle of August. This is going to get a lot worse, a lot more intense before it gets better. The people that don't want Mr. Trump to win know the damage he did to himself when he attacked a judge from Indiana whom he called Mexican, and when he attacked the Khan family. Both of those stories had lives of their own and lasted for a week. They would like this thing to last for a week. I don't see that happening, but they're going to keep trying to find those instances where they can deflect the issue from, do we want a third term of Barack Obama in the form of Hillary Clinton, to, is this guy competent to be president?
Keep coming back and straightening us out. Judge Napolitano.